reverse. This is the forward. Okay. Hello, what's up guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Mechanic. This is a cordless drill machine. Today I will now unboxing. So guys, this is the brand Watley. Okay, now I unbox this item. Open the cover and look this bag, this plastic cover. This is the battery, 1.3H 18 volt lithium ion. This is the lock. Okay, your side, and second battery same to same. Okay, and this is the main parts of the box. 18 volt. Oh, actually this look made in PRC, maybe France. Okay, this is the battery connection, and here charger. The charger 21 volt, actually 21 volt, and 1 mAh output charger. Okay, here's a bit start, and this is the minus bit. Okay, now I put the one box charging. Look, this is the front side. Yeah, okay, now the put. Okay, done. And this is the light indicator, and here the okay, here the beat. Sorry, this is the beat. Okay, okay, and this is option, 3 option here. Look, screw tight and screw tight. This is the hammer. Look, hammer option. So this is the socket. Okay, oh shit, here yes, this is the part of option. Look, very hard. Okay, actually screwed, and this is the hammer option. Okay, and this is the hammer option. Okay, then there are two. Okay, 1 3 5 or 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Actually this option are screw tighten for. Okay, 3 5 6 7 9 10. Okay, this is the key for use forward and reverse. Okay, reverse. This is the reverse. Okay, then forward. Okay, this look showed something fire on electricity. Okay, no. Oh, okay. This tightener again. So okay, this is the screw tightener for fully tighten. And now I okay, now oh, here the key, 2 option. Look, slow and fast. Now this slow. Okay. Oh, hello guys. There is two options: slow, fast, and fast. There are four options. Look, slow speed, up, 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 and up. 5 step around this motor. Okay, cordless impact drill. So okay, totally this, yes, and this charger is connection battery here. Look here, this connection for charging. Okay, so how like this video, please comment for more videos. Subscribe Tech Mechanic YouTube channel. Thank you, tata, bye bye.